today is finally the day where I move into college. I've always watched move-in vlogs when I was younger, so I finally get to film one of my own. I will be attending UC Berkeley and living on campus, so I'm just gonna record me moving in today and the process. And also because I tried to find videos, but there's not too many, so hopefully this helps out whoever if they look for videos in the future. But yeah, I'll be moving into a triple, get to meet my roommates today. It's gonna be a good day, so see you on the flip side.